Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Pixel 6 Pro for Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 6 Pro got released yesterday to Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $899.99 for 128 gigs or $999.99 for 256 gigabytes of storage. So it is currently out of stock right now. So y'all got to see the three colors. They have Sorta sunny, they have cloudy white, and they have Stormy Black. They're all not in stock right now, so that sucks. I'll show you guys what each color looks like. So we're looking at the Sorta sunny color here. So yeah. So there's the Pixel 6 Pro right there. Front and back, of course. On the front, you guys have your hole punch for your front-facing camera earpiece above that. On the right side of the front has your power button and volume keys. Left side of the front has your SIM card slot. Of course, there is no SD card slot because this is a Pixel device, so no expandable storage on this one. On the back of the front, you guys have three cameras along with the camera flash and the Google logo on the rear. And the Sorta sunny has like a two-tone color. This is like a white color. This is like a I don't know, yellowish color, I guess, or whatever. Sounds like a yellowish color, I guess, a little bit, you know. So you just have to see that the background there. So whatever color that you guys will get, the background will match the color of your phone. So this is the Sorta sunny color. And then you guys got cloudy white, which is the one that we're looking at here. My bad. So this is the cloudy white. So that's kind of like a white background on this one. So on the back it's like a white and like a light silver on the top and down the back, and then the Sorta sunny one. There it is. So this is the Sorta sunny one. So you guys got like a yellowish background there. It's like a whitish, yellowish tint on the back, and then you guys got like a yellowish yellowish peach color on the top there. Which honestly, the Sorta sunny color looks ugly as fuck. It does not look right to me. I don't like the color of it. And then we got Stormy Black. This is my favorite color of the Pixel 6 here. Check that out, guys. So, of course, you guys got the Stormy Black color, my favorite color on the Pixel 6 devices. So, apparently, if you guys get the alright, so the cloudy white has two storage options, 128 gigs or 256 gigs. The Sorta sunny has 128 gigs only. However, if you guys get the Stormy Black Pixel 6 Pro, you guys will have three storage options. Like I said, 128 gigs, $899.99. 256 gigs, $999.99. Or 512 gigs, $1099.99. So it is all out of stock right now, guys. No options available to choose, no storage option, no color option. It is all out. It is not in stock right now, guys. So yeah, enough on the phone. I spent too much time talking about the colors and stuff like that. Just saying, you guys, like whatever color that you guys get, it will match your background on the phone. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and check out the Pixel 6 Pro in its entirety. That's front and back. Front of the phone, like I said, hole punch right here, and earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. I think your power keys right here, and your volume keys is down underneath of that. The left side of the phone. Right side, this is the right side phone. Like I said, power and volume keys. There's the back of the phone. You do got a camera home, but this sticks out a little bit, so do keep it on. There's the back of the phone. You guys got three cameras along with your camera flash, Google logo, and whatnot. On the left side of the phone has your SIM card slot. there's a left side, your SIM card slot is like right down here in this area here. And there's the front of it again. Why is it not clear? Alright, there we go. So yeah, the Pixel 6 Pro has. So the Pixel 6 Pro is currently not in stock right now. Currently, the dimensions are 6.5 inches in height, 2.9 inches in width, 10.9 days of standby time, 25.68 hours of usage time. Like I said, 3 cameras on the back, a 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then a 48 megapixel telephoto camera lens on the rear. So that's nice. So yeah, it says here, introducing Pixel 6 Pro, the completely redesigned, fully loaded Google phone, making it the smartest and fastest Pixel yet, with Google's first custom-built chip, designed by Google and made for Pixel. Google Tensor takes performance to a whole new level. The Pixel 6 Pro features the most advanced camera ever, able to capture brilliant color and vivid detail with Pixel's best-in-class computeral photography and new pro-level lenses. Redesigned for more powerful performance, the Pixel 6 Pro now comes with faster app and pages, and all-day battery and proactive help delivers what you need when you need it, and with the most hardware security layers in any phone. The Pixel 6 Pro keeps your personal data safe with the new Google Tensor chip, Tensor processor, and the next-gen Titan M2 security. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband. Alright. This is Google Tensor, Google's first custom-built chip. The first processor designed by Google and made for Pixel. Tensor makes Pixel 6 Pro the smartest and fastest Pixel yet. Google's advanced on-device AI allows for enhanced photos, videos, and language translation, and more. The Pixel 6 Pro comes with up to 80% faster performance for rich graphics, faster loading apps, and more responsive gaming, while the chip-enabled maximum power efficiency allows for great battery life. The most advanced Pixel cameras ever. The new larger main sensor captures 100% more light for finer detail and richer color, put more accurate night sight photos. Portraits on Pixel highlight all people and the nuance of different skin tones beautifully. Pixel 6 Pro lets you get up close with 4 times optical zoom on the telephoto lens, and super res zoom lets you zoom up to 20 times. Make distractions disappear using a magic eraser. Keep a face in focus with face unblur, which can unblur a face to make it sharper. Everything a battery should be. Pixel 6 Pro adapts to save you power as the battery allocates power to the apps you use most to last beyond 24 hours, even on 5G. Pixel charges fast and wirelessly up to 50%, around 30 minutes, and even learns your favorite apps so it doesn't waste power on ones you rarely use. As durable as it is beautiful, the new Pixel 6 Pro is designed for daily life, featuring a 6.7-inch smooth display made with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, the toughest Gorilla Glass yet. with up to 2 times better scratch resistant than previous Pixel phones, and with IP68 protection, it can take a little water and dust. Alright. The most personalized Pixel yet. Translate live video captions, signs up to 55 languages, and private chats and messages automatically and securely. No apps, internet, or language courses required. With a fresh new look and feel, the Redesign Interface is a whole new way to experience Pixel, with colors that reflect your personal style. It shows you what you need when you need it at a glance, intuitively services you to upcoming events, reminders, and more, like your boarding pass when you arrive at the airport. Security you can rely on. Google Tensor is the first processor with the security core built in and works with the next-gen Titan M2 security chip, which helps make Pixel even more resilient to attacks. Pixel security features help protect everything on your phone: texts, photos, sensitive data, and more. Security risks are constantly evolving, so to protect you and your sensitive data against these threats, Pixel comes with at least 5 years of updates, so it gets more secure every time. So the Pixel 6 Pro comes with 5 years of security updates and software updates and whatnot, so that's good. So yeah, especially this phone, like I said, is really good. So the Pixel 6 Pro has a 6.5 inch. The height is 6.5 inches, width 2.9 inches, depth 0.4 inches. The Pixel 6 Pro weighs 7.4 ounces, 10.9 days of standby time, 25.68 hours of usage time. Front camera is 11.1 megapixels, which is interesting. It has UFS 3.1 storage, no SD card, of course. Maximum battery 5,003 milliamp battery. Has 5G, of course, 5G ultra wideband, 4G, of course. Global network, it's a roll device. SAR ratings, Wi-Fi 8, 211 ABGN and AC and AX, dual band Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi 6 as well. It has Google Assistant, of course. Bluetooth 5.2 with dual antennas for enhanced quality and connection. Security fingerprint unlock with under-display fingerprint, pattern pin password. Uh, 12 gigabytes of RAM. It's DDR5 RAM there, so 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigs. It has Android 12 on board. Processor is a Google Tensor chip with the Titan M2 security chip as well. 4K videos at 30 frames, 60 frames. 1080p videos at 30 and 60 frames. Front camera, the rear camera is a 50 megapixel camera along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide, then a 48 megapixel telephoto camera, wireless charging, power share, fast charge, screen, Quad HD plus 1440 by 3120, OLED, 512 PPI, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus cover glass, and I think it's Corning Gorilla Glass 6 on the back. It is a 19.5 by 9 screen ratio, 120 Hz refresh rate, 6.7 inches, USB-C for charging. Your colors are Stormy Black, Cloudy White, or Sorta Sunny. Noticeable materials. You guys have stress resistant Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the front. Then you guys have Gorilla Glass 6 on the back. So pretty good there. If you guys need help with your Pixel 6 Pro, Verizon has you covered with that. So it says here, Verizon monitor support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your Pixel 6 Pro along with the Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and your SIM tool. So that's pretty good. If you guys need to access the Pixel 6 Pro user manual, y'all got some click here to check that out. So yeah. So there you guys go. The Pixel 6 Pro is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It is currently out of stock right now. So the 128 gigs is $899.99, 256 gigs $999.99, or the 512 gigabyte version is $1099.99. That is the Stormy Black version. This Cloudy White has 128 gigs or 256 gigabytes. And then the Sorta only has 128 gigs. So depending on what storage option that you guys want, you guys will have to choose wisely. If you guys want the 512 gigabyte Pixel 6 Pro, you guys want to get the Stormy Black Pixel 6 Pro to get the 512 gigabytes. So choose wisely, alright? So yeah, there you guys go. Pixel 6 Pro now available at Verizon Prepaid. It is currently out of stock though, so hopefully they will get it back in stock soon. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.